Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hormone replacement therapy, a good alternative method of treating menopause. When women think about going in for menopause hormone replacement therapy, they may at first be confused, and the reason for this is that the numbers of options available to them are many, thus making it difficult to choose the best option. Even according to studies made on the topic of hormone replacement therapy, it has been found that, under certain circumstances, it may not be the most suitable option, though it would also not be wise to totally ignore it as a form of treatment. Still a wonderful choice for the treatment of menopause, both past and present. Women that are either experiencing, or who have just experienced menopause should seriously consider menopause hormone replacement therapy. Since, if truth be told, it is still the best choice for them, as it will greatly help in the alleviation of many menopause symptoms. Take the case of hot flashes as two vaginal dryness that are very common menopause symptoms, which if left untreated, can drive women bonkers, and with such risks to contend with, it also gives rise to possibility of contracting heart ailments, especially if a woman has a previous breast cancer history, which means that it behooves them to seek alternative methods of treatment such as hormone replacement therapy. A question that also requires getting a satisfactory answer to is whether women without a history of menopause need to consider hormone replacement therapy as treatment method. Certainly, there has been considerable publicity given to hormone replacement therapy, which may even have gone over the limits, and which may have made many women too apprehensive about such a treatment method, given that there is a lot of documented risk associated with it. The best person to address the issue of hormone replacement therapy is of course your doctor, who is most qualified to proffer advice on this topic, and in any case, it is a lot better than trying out ill-conceived ideas based on certain reports that you may have come across, or even trying out something that is based on misguided advice from a friend or relative. Also, menopause will affect different women in different ways, and something that works for one woman may be totally ineffective when tried on another. However, women need not suffer menopause in silence, because with hormone replacement therapy there is an alternative method of treatment, though they need to only try it after having obtained proper advice from a medical professional. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.